If someone tells you AI will make you rich while you sleep. If someone tells you one magic prompt can print money from your laptop. If someone tells you the future belongs to people who ask a chatbot to build a business for them, you are probably being sold the business, not taught the business. AI by itself will not make most people rich, because everyone has AI now. A free tool is not a secret weapon. It is a hammer sitting on the table. The money is not in staring at the hammer. The money is in finding someone with a broken roof. That is why the real AI opportunity for ordinary people may not be glamorous at all. It may be a dentist office, plumber, a small accounting firm, a real estate agent, a local gym, a boring business with boring problems. And boring problems are beautiful, because boring problems pay. Most people ask the wrong question. They ask, how can I use AI to make money? That question sounds smart, but it usually sends them into the same crowded swamp. AI dropshipping, AI trading bots, AI ebooks, AI courses about making AI courses. Everybody copies the same tutorial. Everybody uses the same tools. Then everyone wonders why the money disappears. Because they are all selling to each other. The better question is, who already has customers? Who already has money coming in? Who already has a real business, but loses time every day because the work is messy? That is where AI becomes useful. Not as a magic money machine, as a cleaning tool. AI is not a genius robot CEO. For most small businesses, AI is more like a very fast intern. Can read emails, can draft replies, it can sort customer questions, can summarize calls, can turn messy notes into clean quotes. That sounds small. Good. Small is where ordinary people can start. Because the owner of a plumbing company is not waking up thinking about AI strategy. He is thinking, why did nobody reply to the leaking sink customer? Why did we forget to send that quote? Why are 3 people asking the same emergency fee question? Why am I answering emails at 10 p.m. again? That is the door, not AI. Pain. AI is just the tool you carry through the door. McKinsey reported in 2025 that almost all companies are investing in AI, but only 1% said they were mature at using it. That is the whole opportunity in one sentence. The world has bought the tools. The world has not learned how to use them. The U.S. Chamber of Commerce reported that generative AI use among small businesses reached 58% in 2025. But most small business workers who use AI are still using it for simple personal productivity. Draft this, summarize that. Helpful, yes, but not a real system. That gap is where the money is. The money is not in telling a business owner, you should use AI. They already heard that. The money is in saying, show me the 3 dumbest things your staff repeats every day. I will turn those into a simple system. That sentence is worth more than 1,000 hype posts. Because boring business owners do not want philosophy. They want Tuesday to be less annoying. Imagine a dental office. The phone rings all day. People ask, do you take my insurance? Do you have an opening this week? Can I reschedule? How much is a cleaning? The receptionist answers the same questions again and again until her soul starts looking for a quieter job. An AI service here does not need to be fancy. You build reply templates. You organize missed call follow-ups. You create a small FAQ assistant. That is not a billion-dollar startup. But it is a real problem. Real problems have budgets, and people pay to reduce chaos. That is the key. Do not sell AI. Sell fewer headaches. Do not say, I build AI solutions. That sounds expensive and vague. Say, I help local businesses stop losing customers in their inbox. Say, I help service companies reply to quotes faster. Say, I help clinics answer repeated questions without burning out the front desk. Now the owner understands. Because you are not selling a robot. You are selling time. And time is what every small business owner is already bleeding. So start narrow. Pick one type of business. Dentists, gyms, real estate agents, accountants, restaurants, car repair shops. Then pick one annoying task. Missed calls, follow-up emails, customer questions, review replies, quote drafts, appointment reminders, staff checklists. Now create one simple offer. Not, I will transform your company with AI. Say, I will set up a system that turns missed customer messages into reply drafts every morning. Or, I will create a custom FAQ assistant so your staff stops answering the same 10 questions all day. Or, I will build a review reply system so every Google review gets a fast, polite answer. Understandable sells. Confusing does not. The offer can be a setup fee, a monthly maintenance fee, a training session. No wild promises, no guaranteed income, no fake screenshots, no pretending you found a secret money printer. You are selling a useful service. That is clean. That is legal. That is boring. And boring is the point. And yes, this still takes work. You still need to learn the tools. You still need to talk to business owners. You still need to test things. You still need to make sure the AI does not invent nonsense. You still need human review. Use approved tools. Use sample data for demos. Keep humans in the loop. Do not promise perfect automation. Do not handle sensitive information unless the business has the right setup. Your value is not pressing the button. Your value is knowing what problem the button should solve. Small businesses do not need another person screaming. Agents, automation, disruption, future of work. They need someone who can translate that noise into, can this help me answer cake order emails faster? Can this help me send quotes before customers forget me? Can this help my staff stop repeating the same answer all day? The person who can translate between AI hype and real work can get paid. You take confusing technology. You turn it into a simple result. You take messy work. You turn it into a repeatable system. That is not hype. That is useful. And useful survives after hype cools down. So if you want to make money from AI, stop asking AI how to make you rich. AI is not your rich uncle. AI is your cheap assistant. Your job is to bring that assistant to someone with real work. The future will not pay everyone who says the word AI. It will pay people who make AI boring enough to be useful. Because the biggest money is often hiding in the most ignored place. The dentist office, the plumber's inbox, the accountant's spreadsheet, the gym's missed leads, the restaurant's repeated questions. The small business owner who is too busy to learn AI, but not too broke to pay for less chaos. That is the opportunity, not AI magic. AI plumbing. Build the pipe between the tool and the problem. Then charge for the water to move.